This video will be your guide on how to use demo account in Groww. What you should need to do first is that to download the Groww app from the Google Play Store or App Store, then sign up or log into your account. Next is to create a virtual portfolio, which go navigate to stocks right here. Section from the main menu, use the search bar to find stocks you're interested in. Then for each stock, note down the current price and decide on hypothetical number of shares to purchase, just like some projects right here where you can see there are prices. Next is you should monitor and adjust your portfolio. Regularly check the current prices of your selected stocks in the Groww app. Update your virtual portfolio to reflect prices changes and calculate gains or losses and adjust your strategies accordingly. Effective tips for this is that set a virtual budget, include stocks from various sectors to understand different market behaviors, and you should actively track your performance.